meaningful to partner with PJI.
I love working with Pilot John International.
Since 2023, we've been working with PJI, and it's been a wonderful experience.
Pilot John for us is a really good partner.
They were always very invested in the process for their customers.
They always keep the customer first. It's important for us to know that customers are in good hands.
We really found that PJI stood out to us in terms of your willingness and I would say appetite for wanting to educate our customers.
So they always did right by their customers by getting the information, educating the customers, getting the information from us. They were always open to learning.
Pilot John is capable of any segment of the industry supporting us.
The partnership and distribution has been excellent. Feedback that we get working from your team and from your customers have been very positive.
PGI is probably the only reliable resource where we can find equipment and get it on time.
They're the type of partner that we're looking for because they're really focused on the type of clients that we want to cater to.
Pilot John personalizes the experience. They try and make sure that they match somebody with your company to make sure you guys are appealing to us the best that you can.
Being quick, responsive, and having parts on the shelf goes a long way to make sure our customers are served.
Very reputable, honest, hardworking, get it done people within the staff, a highly motivated staff.
The human beings that are at this organization genuinely care about the needs of the customers. Pilot John is quite efficient at assessing needs and providing solutions as quickly as possible.
They're just a great company to work with. The people are great. Everybody you talk to over there, they know their business. They know what they're doing.
Ongoing relationship for well into the future.
I would say working with PJI has been excellent.